Hey everyone, welcome to Up All Night DIY. I'm Monica. Thanks for joining me. Today, I'm making a Luck of the Irish porch leaner. Let's get into it. Last month, I made a Valentine's Day porch leaner, and today's project will be the flip side of that. My wood plank is 4 feet by 8 inches. My side edges have already been painted with Ceramcoat black. The first thing I'll do is base coat the plank with Ceramcoat Jubilee green. And as usual, I'll give it 2 coats. I've cut Luck of the Irish with my silhouette. Once again, I'm using regular old shelf liner to do this. This is the bargain method, especially when doing a negative stencil. So, I'll apply my letters where I want them. And now, using a cosmetic sponge, I'll apply Mod Podge around all the edges of all my letters. This will seal the edges, preventing any paint getting under the vinyl, ensuring crisp lines. Once the Mod Podge is dry, I'll add a top coat of Ceramcoat white. And now, it's time to peel and reveal. Whee! I won't torture you by making you watch me peel all of it. You get the idea. I've drawn my embellishments on cardstock and cut them out. I have a top hat, some shamrocks, and leprechaun shoes. I thought the hat would be cute right in the middle of the word luck, and I'm tracing these on using a green pencil. Of course, we need some chamois. I'll base coat all of the decorative elements in Ceramcoat Spring Green, and each, of course, will get 2 coats. I figured since I put the hat in the center of the top of the sign, the best place for the shoes would be the center of the bottom of the sign. Adding all the embellishments is always my favorite part of making any decorative sign. That's where all the fun is. With a damp liner brush and Ceramcoat Palmetto, I'll add 3 stripes to the hat, 1 on each side and 1 in the middle, reloading my brush as needed. I just follow the shape of the hat. I'm starting on the sides and then down the center with these stripes so that it's easier for me to judge where to put the other stripes. I'll come in with some Americana Irish moss and add stripes alongside the Palmetto stripes. And I am cleaning my brush between colors. And then finally, I'll add Americana Eucalyptus leaf. Some of the shamrocks will get dip dotted with the same colors, and some will get striped. I add a band to the hat with eucalyptus leaf. And the buckle is palmetto. To make the U look like a horseshoe, I'll dip dot with Ceramcoat black green. I think it's a cute little extra detail. palmetto buckles for the shoes, some floating medium and eucalyptus leaf to shade the boots. I'll work the medium into my brush. Then I'll scoop some of the paint onto the corner of my brush and I'll stroke it onto my plate to get the gradient ombre effect. And I'll shade around my boot, reloading as needed. I'll just pull my brush along where the contour of the boot will be, keeping the paint side of my brush where the shadow would fall. I'll pull some of that shading down onto the boot along those curves. With a small liner brush, I'll shade that space inside the buckle. I add highlights with floating medium and Irish moss. I'll reinforce the sole with eucalyptus leaf using my liner brush. And I'll shade the hat and all of the shamrocks too. With black green, I want to shade along the inside of the lettering. I just followed the edge of the letter. And I'll do this to all the lettering. With Ceramcoat buttercream, I'll shade the outside of all the decorative elements and the lettering to make it pop a wee bit. And I don't think I mentioned that I'll keep all of the shading to the left side of each letter and each decorative element. Except for the boots, I do go around both sides of the boots with the buttercream. Now I'm just going to clean up the sides a wee bit with some black paint. And I'll add some charcoal checks, because that's how I roll. Since this is an outdoor piece, I'll finish with a coat of Minwax Helmsman. I hope you enjoyed watching and are inspired to make your own porch leaner. In case you'd like to see the flip side of this, I'll link that video below. All supplies are in the description box. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. Stay creative, my friends. Thanks for hanging with me. See you next time. Up all night with Monica.